Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing about Pi Network. Kindly like this video and consider subscribing to this channel. With that have been said, let's get to the video. Picoin is stable and strong cryptocurrency in a volatile market. In the rapidly evolving landscape of digital finance, cryptocurrencies like Picoin are capturing significant attention. One of the key advantages of Picoin is its inability to be reprinted, unlike fiat currencies. This characteristic not only enhances its value but also instills a sense of stability and strength among its users, providing a compelling case for its adoption as a digital asset. The unique nature of Picoin. Fiat currencies such as the US dollar and the euro are subject to inflationary pressures, largely because they can be printed at will by central banks. This often results in a decrease in purchasing power over time. In stark contrast, Picoin operates on a finite supply determined by an algorithm, which means the total number of Picoin in circulation cannot be manipulated or increased arbitrarily. This limitation plays a crucial role in maintaining the currency's value in the long term, positioning it as a reliable store of wealth. Stability and trust in Picoin. The stability of Picoin value stems not only from its cap supply but also from the trust that has been cultivated within its community. Powered by blockchain technology, transactions made using Picoin are secured and transparent. This security reassures users that their investments are safeguarded against the capricious nature of monetary policy, which can undermine fiat currencies. As a result, users can engage with Picoin confidently, knowing that their assets are protected from inflationary forces. The growth potential of Picoin. As cryptocurrency adoption continues to rise globally, Picoin stands at the forefront of this financial revolution. Its status as a stable digital asset makes it particularly attractive to investors looking for alternatives to traditional investments that may be susceptible to market volatility. With a robust ecosystem that supports its use and an engaged community driving its development, Picoin is poised for significant growth in the coming years. A future beyond speculation. Unlike many cryptocurrencies that experience wild fluctuations in value based primarily on speculation, Picoin's inherent design and community trust suggest a future marked by stability. This reliability could position Picoin as a viable alternative for individuals and businesses seeking to transact without the risks associated with more volatile digital currencies. Moreover, as the world increasingly shifts towards digital transactions, the ability of Picoin to function as a stable currency could facilitate its integration into mainstream payment systems, enhancing its utility and acceptance. Conclusion. With its inability to be reprinted like fiat currency, Picoin offers a unique blend of stability and strength that sets it apart in a crowded market. In an era characterized by economic uncertainty, the opportunity to invest in Picoin represents not only a savvy financial decision but also a strategic move towards a more secure and sustainable financial future. As part of the ever-evolving Pi Network ecosystem, Picoin is ready to play a pivotal role in the ongoing digital financial revolution. We've come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for latest update about Pi Network. See you in my next video.